Hey there, I'm Raven, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up ShareX to work with voided.host using our configuration file. Before we start, we'll need to install ShareX, of course. If you have already installed it, then you can just skip this part. But if you don't have ShareX yet, then just follow along with me. To install ShareX, we're just gonna open up our browser real quick and search for ShareX download. Then we look for downloads ShareX and just click it. I'll also put a link in the description for you. It's gonna be the second one. Now here we install the latest version. In my case, that's version 15.0.0, and we're gonna need to download the setup.exe file. Just press save here, and there we go. Now we have the setup file. We're just gonna go ahead and open it up and click ourselves through the installation. I'm just gonna keep all the default selections. It's not really that important. And that's it. Now we have ShareX installed. I'll just minimize it for now. We'll come back to it later. Now once we have installed ShareX, we can go back to our browser and go to voided.host. We'll quickly need to log in. Just enter your username and password. And voila, here we are. Now on our overview page, we have this little button here, download ShareX config. We're just gonna go ahead and press it, and we'll get this SXCU file, which stands for ShareX Custom Uploader, in case you were wondering. All that's left to do is that we need to open the file, and now it's gonna ask us if we want to use voided.host as our default uploader, which we want, of course, so we click yes. And that's it. Now ShareX is configured. Now, if you never used ShareX before, I'm gonna give you a quick rundown on how everything works. So at the top here you can see your hotkeys and what they're used for. If you want to change that, you're just gonna have to open the hotkey settings, and here you can change the hotkeys. I'm just gonna set capture region to print screen and remove capture entire screen by pressing escape. Now if we close this window again, we'll see the after capture tasks here on the left. These tasks happen after we take a screenshot, but still before we uploaded it. So if we just open this up, we can see that first of all, it's going to copy the actual screenshot into your clipboard, which is useful should the upload ever fail. Then down here, it's going to save the screenshot to a file, which I don't really need. And at the bottom, you can see that it's going to upload the screenshot to the host. Now in the after upload task, we can see the things that happen after the upload. And the only thing that's selected here, it's going to copy the upload URL into your clipboard, which of course we want. Now let's try making a screenshot to see if everything worked out. For this, I'm just going to press print screen to capture region, just like I set up before. And now let's just draw a little smiley down here, so it's not that boring. Now I'm going to select the rectangle region again, and just select the entire ShareX window. Now it took a screenshot, and as we can see on the bottom right, it already uploaded it to voided.host. Let's go back to our web interface and check if anything is there. If nothing shows for you as well, then just reload the page, and there we go, that's our upload. It's stretched out a little, but that's just because we have only one upload at the moment. We can also check our image gallery, and there we go, it's here as well. We just open it up, voila, that's our screenshot. Now let's go into a new tab and check if it actually copied the URL into our clipboard. And yes, it worked. Perfect. Alright, that was it. If you found this video interesting and it answered all of your questions, then feel free to like it and share it to your friends who also might need some help with setting up ShareX. You can also give us some feedback down in the comments if you want to. Now if you want to learn how to manually set up ShareX, I'll have the video here on the screen for you. If you want to get notified about new videos about voided.host and even some changelogs in the future, feel free to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. If you have any other questions, you can ask them in the comments or in our Discord server. On our Discord you'll also find regular updates, sneak peeks, and even some events from time to time. Thanks for watching and have a great day everyone.